everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks. If you are new, I'm Laura. This is Xena. White is the white puppy dog. I don't think you can see him. We hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe. For today, I am kicking off my outfit of the day, what I wore video, where I chronicle a week of outfits. It is a rainy, cold Sunday morning. We are getting the after effects of Hurricane Ian, which I'm sending my thoughts and prayers out to everyone impacted by Ian, which has just been devastating. But we are only getting the rain and the cold from it. So it has been raining now for about 2 days. So for today's outfit, I picked Liverpool denim that I got from Nordstrom. I have on a sweater from the Loft. You may remember from one of my Loft hauls. I have on shoes from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. These are by BP. I know, my toes are still out. And for jewelry, I just have on silver hoops today because I do have a ton to do. I'm hoping to get some videos filmed, to get some house stuff done. I have some work to do. So, busy day. All right, so I did give the sidekicks their sweet potato fries already because Xena was like, I want my treats. And I want them up front. That's how she rolls. How's it? All right, we will be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day. It is a little warmer, 54, partly sunny, and it's supposed to get up to 59. It's a busy work day already. And let's see, today my White House Black Market haul posted. I hope you check it out. Some fun pieces that I think will stand the test of time and you can wear for quite some time for all kinds of events. My outfit today is a Wantable cozy outfit. So it's from my cozy edit, October, what's it called? The October, what's it called? The October cozy edit, but it had a fun name. Anyway, the Dreamer cardigan, I have a Loft long sleeve t-shirt underneath it. I have on hidden denim, and I threw on my oldie but goodie booties, open toe booties by Lucky that I love in this great snake print. And for jewelry, I have on a Brighton necklace and Brighton earrings. And that's my outfit today. Hope your week is starting off fabulous, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, bringing you outfit of the day. It is a chilly one. We just we don't transition. It's been cold. It just flipped a switch. We had no 80-degree days at the end of September or now into October yet. It's not looking like we're getting any. It is just chilly. So 46 right now, supposed to get up to 55. And I'm not liking it because I've been in my pool through the end of October. But I didn't even get in at the end of September. It's so cold. I should probably just have it closed. But I always hold on to a glimmer of hope that I'm still going to be able to get in there. Outfit of the day today, I have on a Loft outfit. I have on this Loft cardigan that you may remember from my last haul, as well as a Loft denim from my last haul. This is the wider leg, so I'm really enjoying this. They're very comfortable. I also actually have on a half tank. I don't know if you remember this one. This one's from a haul quite a bit ago. It might be spring or even later than that, but I really like this one. And then for shoes, I have on Steve Madden. How cute are these? These are older. I've had these for several years. Love this gold shimmer and the little cutouts. Got those at Nordstrom. For jewelry, I have on earrings and a necklace from Glamor Jewelry Box. And that's my outfit for the day. Xena didn't join me today. She is adorable, sleeping in her bed, and I just don't have the heart to wake her. Wyatt is here and is very interested in his paw, it appears. All right, I hope you're having a great week, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is time for outfit of the day. It is Wednesday. It is 57 degrees outside and sunny. And I decided to come outside while I still can, although I know I'm getting some bad lighting a little bit here. The sun's starting to come in. Let's see, my Amazon Prime wardrobe posted today. Hope you check it out. Lots of neutrals in that one. I already know what I'm keeping. I am keeping the moto jacket in that luscious tan color, but I am going to exchange it for a bigger size so I can wear things underneath it and zip it and be comfortable. So technically everything's going back, and I'm going to reorder it in the larger size. But I did really like everything. I thought it was a really great collection. What else? Today, I think I still have to tell you what I kept from my Wantable denim collection. So I will share that tomorrow. I did keep 5 items. I actually really liked that one. I wanted 4, but I ended up keeping 5 because it was actually cheaper to do the 5. All right, so I have to remember to share with you that tomorrow. Today's outfit, I have on a Free People jumpsuit that I got in a Stitch Fix, and I paired it with a cut from the cloth denim jacket in this luscious brown color that I got in a Trendsend. I also got it in a Wantable, so I actually got it in both, but I kept it from the Trendsend first. Paired it with the shoes from my Nordstrom anniversary sale. These are by BP. Have these in 3 colors because they were a really good price point. And for jewelry, I have on my necklace from my Wantable visit from my fashion shoot. My earrings are vintage Leah Sophia. And that's everything for today. All right, I hope you're doing great, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, and it is a beautiful day. So it is 66 and sunny, and I don't know why it's doing back there. It's going to get up to 70. And let's see, busy work day, and then I'm going to see my dad today. I have on my fun BlankNYC shorts. I've put on these shorts because this is the warmest day I have in the next 2 weeks. So I figured I would wear them. Paired it with a Chelsea 28 tank from Nordstrom. I have on the BlankNYC jacket that I also got in my Armoire. So the shorts are from my Armoire, the jacket is from my Armoire. Both of those are BlankNYC. And then I put on my Dolce Vita sandals because it's still nice outside and sunny. And for jewelry, I really don't have much on today. I was in a hurry this morning, and I just put on gold hoops and this pretty bracelet that was my mom's. And that's it for today. All right. So I mentioned, and I did bring it up, I mentioned the Wantable denim edit, which is posting tomorrow, even though you're seeing this on Sunday, so it would have already posted. So I will show that to you tomorrow and what my keepers were. And tomorrow is Happy Dance Day, so it's going to be a good day. I'll see you soon. Hey everybody, it's Friday. Friday. What do you think? You happy, YY? It's a rainy, rainy Friday. Wyatt's happy though. Wyatt loves the rain. Wyatt loves the snow. Wyatt loves the sunshine. Wyatt's just a happy dog. Huh, buddy? You're silly. It's already Happy Friday. That was your dance. What do we have to do today? We have to talk about my Wantable limited time denim edit that hit today that I've been talking about for the last few days. It was a really good box, I thought. Other than the bralettes, I don't know why they keep sending me these bralettes that don't fit me, but I pretty much forgot about it. And I am decided to keep the on sale little short jacket. I really liked this camo one. Very cozy, comfy. Of course, I kept the moto. I know. And then I ended up keeping the denim. I loved the cut with the funky hem. I liked the button, the black wash exposed button. And then I did end up keeping the hidden ones because it was cheaper to do so. I didn't keep the tank or, of course, the bralette because it didn't fit me anyway, and the tank was just a little too cutesy with the fluttery bottom for me. It's just not something I would reach for. But I thought overall it was a really good edit. All right, let's see. So as I mentioned, it is a rainy day. It's cooler today than yesterday. Yesterday ended up being really nice and sunny. But today, rain and cloudy, 55. I chose Wild Fable denim from Target, you may remember from one of my hauls. I have on a sage sweater from Wantable from last year, I believe. I have on Dolce Vita sandals from a Trendsend. I love these. And I have Anna Luisa jewelry on, earrings and necklace. And that's my outfit for today. All right, I'm happy it's Friday. I have a busy day today, and then it will be the weekend, right, Wyatt? Zena's sleeping in her bed. I'll be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday. Welcome to the weekend. And I'm up early. I have a hair appointment. It's still black outside, and it is almost 7 a.m. Let's see, today my Nordstrom and Evereve haul post. I hope you check it out. I am missing my trunk hubs, I realized. So I worked with a stylist and stop over and check it out. Let me know what you think. I do think the must-have moto is in that haul. I'm in love with it. It's two-toned and it's awesome. All right, today, outfit of the day. I have on a Goldie crossover front denim, and I put on the Z Supply tank that I just got recently in a Wantable. I threw on a bralette underneath it because I just didn't feel like worrying about a bra today. So I like bralettes because then if it peeks out, it's no big deal. And I picked this nice sagey green color to be a little bit of a contrast. And then I put on this gorgeous Marin Moto from Evereve. I love this moto. It's only going to be 52 degrees today. So I figured it would be perfect layer. Not too warm because I'm probably going to be inside. It's only 43 right now. Yeah, so I think that it'll be a nice inside or outside layer. So I won't feel like I need to take it off when I get inside, but since I have the tank on underneath it. But this is such a soft piece, and it's nice because it doesn't feel like a jacket. It feels more like a cardigan or a top. For shoes, I grabbed these Dolce Vitas, which I'm in love with. I bought these a couple years ago from Evereve. They are wedges. Yes, I know I covered up my toes. And for jewelry, I have on the necklace from my Wantable photo shoot. I just have hoop earrings on. I threw on my bracelet set that I got in a Trendsend because I thought that would look pretty with all the greens. And that's it. All right. Well, thanks so much for spending time with me. I hope you had fun. If you did, hit that like. I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll put all the boxes, but I can't wait to hear which was your favorite. Hit that subscribe before you go. It helps me keep creating videos. For those of you that already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.